here I am on Ocean Road, the beating heart of our town. Ocean Road has long been home to our Bangladeshi, Indian, Pakistani and South Asian communities, and we're here today, our first ever Ocean Road Mela.
The Mela is really important because it allows for communities to come together. People from all different faiths and flavours coming together to celebrate on Ocean Road, which is a road that sort of signifies a lot of history and heritage.
What a fantastic event being organised by the local community with the support of the council. It's all about culture, it's all about music, and it's all about food. So thank you so much again to all of the organisers for putting on this important event. Thank you.
The Mela is about showcasing our great South Tyneside and the people with all its diversity. And I hope you all enjoy the day.
South Shield is a melting pot of history, culture, and we try to give you guys a little taste of all the culture and everything.
We've been a very multicultural, diverse society forever. South Shields and its people have always welcomed people with open arms, no matter what their nationality is.
And I sincerely hope that today and this event is a basis on which we can all gather some support for some permanent recognition and thanks for our South Asian communities for their unwavering contributions to the economy and life of our town.
I mean, it's amazing to see so many people, families, just people coming down with friends. We're really proud to be able to bring this event here and to actually see how welcome it is.
I'm gonna draw a knife.
There's things I want to talk about, but better.
Had games and sports, all the families and children. We've had stalls outside, so it's been a lovely day. Everybody had fun, it's been really great.
It's the first year we've had a multicultural Mela, and it seems to have gone down really, really well. The weather has certainly brought the people out, and we're looking forward to next year's, who we can hopefully make it bigger.
I think everyone was just saying, oh, you can feel the community buzz and everything in the air, and honestly we could sense it and feel it, so we're just so proud that we were able to achieve that.
It's been absolutely incredible. The amount of people that came out, everyone's smiles, everyone's faces, the colours, the music has been incredible. I can't wait to do it again next year.
And until the next one!
So hopefully from now on we want to achieve it to be an annual thing, that something that all the communities and organisations, definitely grassroots organisations within South Tyneside, can work together on putting the Mela on. So hopefully it'll be an annual thing.